Now we are going to see how to deploy Angular project in the Azure web app. So first we are going to create an Angular new application. So I have created in a selected folder, deploy Azure, and just click npm install, and then it just hit enter and wait for create ng deploy Azure. This is our project name, and wait for some time. Yeah, here we need to select which css you need to require. Css as less so we are selecting css. Which style sheet format you want to set. Now they asking enable the server side rendering ssr. Just put yes or hit enter. Do you want to create a zoneless application? Create yes. Yeah, our boilerplate code is ready to execute. Ready for test. Just we can see run the application cd deploy Azure. You are right now we are in the main directory, so just go in the right directory, just hit enter and try ng serve for run the application, and we check. It's already you use yeah, the 4200 is already used, so just hit enter to they give you the different port. Yeah, our new port is ready. Just copy how to deploy these things on Azure portal. Okay, so first we need to add extension. I have already added the Azure extension. If not, just go on extension here and type Azure tool. Azure tool. So these things you need to install. Like click here. I have I have already installed. The here is showing on install option. Auto update is there. So just add this extension your Visual Studio Code, and see after installation you need to configure your application. So we have done already. So you can say once your tool is added, you can see here your Azure extension. After that, go. After that, first we need to check. Yeah, for Angular deployment, when we are going to create a web app, so we need to select Azure function, Azure subscription, Azure create resource group, testing name Azure, testing ng, code container, run running stack. We need to select Node 20 long-term support. Central Canada Central, we can leave that as it is. Running plan basic B1. Memory prices, and for database no deployment is less, leave that. Monitor, application insight, review and create. Basic estimated loading, just click on create for deployment. Initialization deployment. Yeah, deployment is completed. Here we can see that we have created the new web app like testing ng resource group. Same status is running. The main is operating system is window. Operating system is window. So we can check here this is running or not. Yeah, this is running, supporting node.js.net and node.js java.net and more. We can see here the supporting stack. Now I need to go and deploy. Just refresh. Yeah, Now go and just browse in dist. Yeah, click on yes, and now we can see the deployment is in progress. Wait for some time to understand, and we'll explain how the deployment process is going on. Yeah, we'll taking lots of issue when we are going to deploy our Angular application in Azure, but finally hope so now we can deploy our code. Yeah, I think deployment is completed. Yeah, completed, and now go on file folder packet.json. Just copy the name and go on resource and refresh. Go on configuration because we by mistake we have selected the Linux machine, so that's why they created some issue for configuration and these things. Now we can see document we have. So here we have deployed lots of things, so we need only index.html. Below all we need to delete index.html we require, otherwise I need to delete all. Click on index.html, click on save. After that I need to change the browser naming convention. Yeah, we have done index.html. After that we need to go on edit, add, okay, and save and check. Deploy Azure is our project name, and go and refresh. Yeah, something need to add more. Browse we need to add. Yeah, update successfully. Just click on a refresh. Yeah, now we can see deployment is successful. Now we can see how to deploy Azure application on how to deploy .NET with sorry. Yeah, we can see now how we can deploy our Angular application on these things. So first, just to give the overview on go first, go on Azure and create a one web application with operating system, and stack is node, and web app is testing, and code whatever we deploy just code running stack is node 20 that's stack, and window apply that is for operating system is window application, and then you need to deploy. We can see how to deploy these things. Thank you so much for your time.